What kind of person is she or he? Someone who's reliable or responsible? Someone who panics easily? Let's try to describe person's personality in one word. Hi, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to this channel and wish to learn Japanese, this channel covers Japanese words and phrases which is useful and practical. So please click here to watch our previous videos. For example, how do you tell someone about the personality of your boss or friend? How do you say it? Do you directly say they could easily be flustered, which is awate yasui? Or directly say someone is efficient in handling the job, which is 仕事ができる? The onomatopes that I'm about to teach today can be conveyed with subtle personality traits. Watch this video to find out how to describe a person's personality with onomatope. Number 1. むっつり 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 is an expression to describe someone who is quiet, expressionless, or unfriendly. This term is used to describe how a person has hidden emotions rather than expressing them. Here's an example sentence. 彼はむっつりとしていて、いつも一人で仕事をします。彼はむっつりとしていて、いつも一人で仕事をします。Which means he's not talkative and does his job alone every day. Number 2. チャラチャラ 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 is a word to express a flashy and cheerful state. Therefore, this word is used to describe a person who is lively, wearing bright, flashy clothes and accessories. However, depending on the context, chara chara can also refer to a person who is irresponsible and indulges in leisure activities instead of working. This is how to use chara chara. 娘が連れてきた彼氏はチャラチャラした男だったので悲しくなった。娘が連れてきた彼氏はチャラチャラした男だったので悲しくなった。Which means I was sad because the boyfriend my daughter brought was a flirtatious man. Number 3. おどおどおどおど Odo-odo is an expression used when a person appears nervous or anxious. Shaky hands, a low voice, and a lack of self-confidence could be observed. This is how to use odo-odo. 彼はいつもプレゼンテーション前になるとおどおどする。彼はいつもプレゼンテーション前になるとおどおどする。That means he always gets nervous or anxious before the presentation. Number 4. うっかりうっかり うっかり is a word to express carelessness or clumsy behavior. This word is used when a person forgets something or makes a mistake. It is also used to express the state of acting without thinking. This is how to use うっかり。彼はうっかり者だ。いつも家の鍵を忘れる。彼はうっかり者だ。いつも家の鍵を忘れる。That means he's quite absent-minded. He always forgets his house keys. Number 5. しっかりしっかりShikkari is an expression that represents a diligent and responsible attitude. This word is used to describe someone who fulfills their work and duties properly and approaches things with a solid and reliable attitude. This is how to use しっかり。彼はしっかり者で仕事を時間通りにこなす。 彼はしっかり者で仕事を時間通りにこなす。Which means he's a reliable person who completes his work on time. Number 6. サバサバ。サバサバ。サバサバ is a word to express a straightforward personality or attitude. So this word is used to describe someone who is frank and is able to control his emotions. It is also means handling things in a straightforward manner without getting caught in details. This is how to use サバサバ。彼女はサバサバした性格でいつも率直に事実を述べます。彼女はサバサバした性格でいつも率直に事実を述べます。Which means she has a straightforward personality and always tells the facts candidly. Number 7. ネチネチ。ネチネチ。ネチネチ is a word to express a persistent and nagging attitude. So this word is used to describe someone who continues to engage in harassment or bothersome behavior, causing distress to other people. This is how to use ネチネチ。彼はネチネチとした態度で相手を困らせることがよくあります。彼はネチネチとした態度で相手を困らせることがよくあります。Which means he often bothers others with his persistent and nagging attitude. Number 8. ひょうひょう。ひょうひょう。ひょうひょう is an expression that represents a light-hearted and easygoing attitude. So this word is used to describe someone who approaches things in a relaxed manner and doesn't feel much worry and stress. This is how to use ひょうひょう。彼は他の人と比べたりせず、ひょうひょうとした態度で仕事をする。彼は他の人と比べたりせず、ひょうひょうとした態度で仕事をする。That means he doesn't compare himself with others and works with an easygoing attitude. Number 9. ギスギス。ギスギス。ギスギス is an expression that represents a tense or discordant atmosphere. This word is used to describe a situation when there's tension or animosity among people, creating an uncomfortable atmosphere. It is also used to describe deteriorating relationship or heightened tension in a particular scene. This is how to use ギスギス。彼は最近ギスギスして話しかけづらい。彼は最近ギスギスして話しかけづらい。That means he has been tense lately, making it difficult to approach him. That's it for today's lesson. Please share your thoughts on what you have learned in the comment section. Using the onomatopes we introduced today can be very useful, and when you use them, people around you will definitely take notice. Give them a try. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please make sure to turn on the notification bell if you wish to be notified for more brand new lesson videos. If you do that, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。